and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to all of you to the Blub World Web Talks 97th edition or the 97th episode. Namaste and a very warm welcome to all of you. In the last 96 episodes on this very platform, we have interacted with more than 1,500 school leaders from all across the world who have shared their opinions, ideas, innovations, and what all new or interesting is going on in the K-12 space, or put it very simply, what's happening in schools. और अभी तक इस सारे interactions में हमारे पास बहुत सारे amazing ideas, बहुत सारे innovative पढ़ाने की pedagogies, methodologies, teacher training की चीजें, बहुत amazing facts निकल के आए, and उन सारे facts को axiomatically and at the same time experientially हमने समझने की कोशिश करी, and उसमें से कुछ best ideas we have picked and we have shared on our social media and on the magazine, and it has reached to more than 5,500 schools across the world, जिसमें से बहुत सारे ideas पे लोगों ने अपनी testing करी, उन्हें implement करके देखा, and हमें finally ये पता पड़ना शुरू हुआ कि ये ideas कितने feasible हैं, कितने scalable हैं, कितने relevant हैं और कितने absolutely non-usable हैं. So within this ride, the simple motive behind all this was to share best practices, was to share ideas. कि जब हम limitations face करते हैं तो उन्हें बार उनसे झगड़ना पड़ता है, उन्हें challenge करना पड़ता है और solutions बनाने पड़ते हैं. और ये काम इस pandemic में दुनिया भर में हो रहा था, and education sector में तो बहुत ज़्यादा जोरों शोरों से हो रहा था. So we tried to become a medium between these many school leaders, parents, teachers, and students. So before we start the talk, a very small introduction of what Blub World is. So Blub World is a magazine for teenagers which comes with a simple motto of teens inspiring teens. हर महीने हम बहुत सारे ऐसे teenagers ढूंढ रहे होते हैं जो कुछ अच्छा जिंदगी में कर रहे हैं, and उनकी कहानियां दूसरे teens से share कर रहे होते हैं. And this very activity is part of a white paper that we are publishing, where we are trying to find out whatever new is happening in the K-12 space. Normally ये call जब रोजाना शुरू होता है तो उसमें हम बहुत सारी geographical, intellectual और experiential variety लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. And as today as well, we have some amazing guests who have come in from all across India at least. आज का call is India specific, so we have a lot of people coming in from India. And before I ask them to start to give their thoughts, we today need to mull around or typically give you a peep into the topic and what we expect from you on the topic. आने वाले समय में, or rather अभी के समय में, what we see all around us is a lot of commotion, is a lot of chaos. Because ये हम जो अभी experience कर रहे हैं as a human race, हमने पहले शायद नहीं किया, और इतनी सारी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ तो बिल्कुल नहीं किया. So अब ऐसे पॉइंट पर, how do you think the problem sets that your students will face 10 years down the line वो कैसे change होंगे, और उन प्रॉब्लम सेट्स का कौन सा सॉल्यूशन स्किलिंग में या टीचिंग में आप एक्चुअली दे पाएंगे? Whether it could be pedagogy, whether it could be methodology, whether it could be ideation, it could be practice, in all its aspects, we now want to understand from you what will be the skills for the future. Before we start, it's a timed platform. You all have around 3 to 4 minutes each to speak, and once your time is over, you might get muted. If you get muted, please don't get offended. It is just to finish this activity on time so that none of your schedules get disturbed. And this is a crisp and enjoyable platform. And secondly, it's a bilingual platform. आप अंग्रेजी या हिंदी में से कोई भी भाषा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं जो आपके लिए comfortable हो. कोई तीसरी भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. The only challenge, I won't get it. Otherwise, ये दो भाषा तो मैं समझ आऊंगा and I'll be able to interact with you. So I hope you enjoy the next 40 minutes that you spend with us. And once again, a very warm welcome to all of you to the Blub World Web Talks 97th edition. And I am Daksh Gaur, the founder of Blub World Magazine. Let me now invite the first speaker for today, who comes in with an experience of early childhood. अभी जब schools खुलेंगे भी, तो अगर आप प्री स्कूल की बात करें या प्री प्राइमरी की बात करें, तो शायद पेरेंट अपने बच्चे को स्कूल भेजना तो बहुत दूर की बात हो, शायद उसकी एजुकेशन ही अब रिज्यूम नहीं कराना चाहेगा. So at such a dramatic phase, what does she think that how would skilling of the teachers, skilling of the parents, and at the same time, skilling of these toddlers help in these challenging times? A very warm welcome to Dr. Rita Sonawat, who is the Director, Early Childhood Education at Ampersand Group, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Ampersand Group is the one that runs the Vibgyor group of schools. Just to set a reference to it, she's the chair for the roundtable today. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. The next 4 minutes are yours. A very warm welcome to the platform. Please unmute your audio. You'll have to unmute yourself.
Thank you so much for a beautiful introduction and to set the platform going. It's very lively. You have given a lot of energy to all of us to speak. And thanks a lot for telling that I'll be chairing. I don't know it means what, but it means something that I understood. I came to know about this magazine, which is for the teen, and this is very nice to have a concept like teen aspiring teens. So the conceptual level is very interesting, and I'm sure that in this pandemic, many people will be aware of this magazine. You have told me about speaking, what kind of skills required in early childhood education, teachers. So what we need to understand, teachers are teachers. And most of the teachers require today 21st century skills. So what are those skills? So before I go to the school, what we need to understand, I will be telling a little bit about early childhood education because National Education Policy has come and it has given preschool as a 3-year to 8 years. So first and second standard has also come in the foundation years. So that is one thing which all of us we need to understand. Globally, this age considers 0 to 8 years. So now we are at par with the global education. Second thing is this sector was till now unorganized sector. So everybody and anybody starting the preschool and even the teacher training program that is called ECC-ED, Early Childhood Care and Education Certificate, Diploma. And then this diploma is for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So without any recognition, unorganized teachers have come up in this sector. Many people, they are not even aware what kind of qualification is required to teach young children. So they are employing B.Ed and B.Ed and M.Ed to teach these toddlers. So what we need to understand here is the right qualification is those who have done diploma or degree or maybe masters in early childhood education. So they are the one who have a right qualification to teach in this sector. Now I am coming to the skill. So when I said 21st century skills are required, so here even NEP is also saying we need to develop in children critical thinking. So for that, very simple things in the preschool sector, the teacher can do in the classroom, where the teacher can see the child is shown square, and then you have given children the star. So children are saying in the earlier I've seen 4 sides, so it was called square, and now it has 5 sides. So what is that? So this kind of small activities for the critical thinking, if the teachers are developing, automatically the children will also be developed. So critical thinking, creative thinking, collaboration. So today is the time of collaboration for the teachers. If you have a skill in technology and other have a skill in concept, so if they work together in collaboration, definitely the result will be very good. And communication skill, every teacher needs. So for that, I don't have to say. So these are certain skills which are told about but I will be adding 2 more skills, that is the curiosity and imagination. So for all these skills, the first and most important thing is teacher need to change their mindset to acquire these skills. Then certain life skills are also required, like flexibility, initiative, social skills, productivity skills, and leadership skills. Teacher has to be leader because she is not teaching with young children. She is dealing with the parents and other teachers and grandparents and those who are in contact with the children. All of them she is dealing with. So she needs to have a leadership skills also. Apart from that, the third is...
Thank you so much, Rita. Back to you once the session comes to the second leg of it. But thank you so much for that amazing introduction. And to summarize what all you said, that teachers will at the end of the day be teachers, but अब 21st century skills चाहिए, उनका upgradation चाहिए, upskilling चाहिए. नई डेफिनेशन हो गई है 0 to 8 years की. अब ये प्री स्कूल हो गया जो कि ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स के जैसा हो गया है, दूसरे देशों जैसा इंडिया में भी हो गया है, जो हम काफी समय से इंतजार कर रहे थे कि अब कैम्ब्रिज कुरिकुलम एक नया फंडा लाता था, देन आईबी कुछ और लेके आ जाता था, एंड फाइनली अब सब कुछ एक जैसा होने लगा एज फार एज स्ट्रक्चर इज कंसर्न. पेडागोजी, मेथोडोलॉजी, कुरिकुलम, दैट्स अ सेपरेट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. देन यू टॉक्ड अबाउट कि हम एक अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर से एक ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर की तरफ बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. फ्रॉम एन इंडस्ट्रियल इकोनॉमी हम एक नॉलेज इकोनॉमी की तरफ बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कोशिशें कर रहे हैं बिकॉज एजुकेशन इज अ कॉन्करेंट सब्जेक्ट. तो सेंटर ने पॉलिसी बनाई है, हर स्टेट अपनी पॉलिसी बनाएगा और हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे एक अलग नोटिफिकेशन हर स्कूल के पास जाएगा. सो वी डोंट नो हाउ इजीली would this elephant of education move in India. But yes, it's good, at least there's a change in the policy. Teaching toddlers is a different ball game altogether. This is very right. हमें आज तक ये बेंचमार्किंग ही नहीं दी गई थी देश में कि अगर आपको टॉडलर्स को पढ़ाना है तो आपने क्या पढ़ना है. And this is something that has now been defined with the NEP. और ये expectations आने वाले समय में और ज्यादा स्पेशल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एक टीचर को बहुत सारी मल्टीटास्किंग करनी होगी क्योंकि आपका क्लास अब पूरी तरीके से ट्रांसपेरेंट है और आपकी पॉपुलेशन जो क्लास की थी वो क्वाड्रपल हो चुकी है क्योंकि बच्चा है, उसके पेरेंट्स हैं, दादा दादी भी हैं, शायद कोई कजन भी है, शायद कोई दोस्त भी. जब आपने अब क्लास Let me now invite the next speaker for today, Mr. Joy Varghese, who's the principal of L'École.
When to begin and things of that sort. Never mind. So it's nice knowing that Blub World has launched itself to educate teens by teens. And it's a wonderful opportunity to share some of my thoughts from Kerala. I have been in the north for a number of years. I think I was there in Punjab for about 21 years. And I was a principal of a number of schools over there. And once I thought, then I'll come back to Kerala, my hometown. So I'm in Trivandrum right now, L'École Champaga. We have a few schools. We have also a Cambridge curriculum here as well. You know, what goes on right now is we are in the middle of a pandemic. Came across him. We were, in a T point where to take a turn, right side or left side, with regard to the academic progress as such. So then our teachers were not skilled in online education at all. So we were in a way challenged, but we came across a number of things. First of all, what we adapted was something locally made. We have a Technopark in Trivandrum, so we invited them. So we used their platform, but then we thought that it was not safe enough. So we moved on to MS Teams. So that was quite good. Now, that is all about, overcoming this pandemic through the online classrooms. Our teachers have got skilled and they have overcome all those difficulties. Right now, the topic that I would like to just highlight is skills for the future. So, what was there earlier will come back strongly, like communication. So that is one thing that has to come back, strongly. Effective communication. It all starts with listening and then goes into the next step of reflection as such. It has to be a friendly way of a medium of communication. There has to be a lot of confidence in the communication. There has to be clarity, and the communication has to be organized as such. There has to be a lot of acceptance between the communicator and the one who is listening. And we must also be able to accept feedback. There has to be open mind. So now what is happening is, why I'm insisting on this skill is because the present generation as such, they don't have time to listen. So it's a fast-paced generation. So I think this will have to be enhanced. The communication skill has to be enhanced. This is one element which we will have to stress for the future generation. When I listen to the parents, those who are in parents of children, those who are in grade 4, those who are in grade 9, and those who are in grade 12, they have only one thing to say. Sir, my children do not want to listen to me. They would like to listen to the internet. They would like to listen to the Google platforms. They would like to listen to their peer group and sometimes to their teachers, but not the parents. I think there is a lot of data that is available in the internet right now. Now, this is one element. Data science has picked up over the years, maybe for 5 years, data science has come up very strongly. Now, there's a lot of data that is available everywhere. How much is acceptable for which age group? Who will decide for this? This is one element. So interpretation.
Thank you, Joyce. The first leg of your timing was over, but you were saying some amazing things. So we'll actually try to come back to you if time allows. To summarize what you said was, first, एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज आपने बताई, which is a very nice thing to do, that you first opted for a local technology solution that came from the local tech park that you had there in Trivandrum, and you finally eventually moved on to Microsoft Teams. दुनिया में actually दो ही जनों के platforms पे सब जा रहे हैं, या तो Microsoft या Google. Apple अभी तक उतना पॉपुलर नहीं है क्योंकि अफोर्डेबल नहीं है, एटलीस्ट फॉर इंडिया. अभी जस्ट सम डेज बैक वी हैड द लीडरशिप टीम ऑफ HP ऑन दिस वेरी प्लेटफॉर्म टू डिस्कस अबाउट कि अब और टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या होना चाहिए. तो उसमें व्हाट दे कुड एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड वाज कि नाउ द ओनली नीड इज ऑफ अ सॉफ्टवेयर प्लस हार्डवेयर कॉम्बो थिंग व्हिच कैन कीप किड्स इन कंट्रोल. और टिपिकली जो कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रक्चर है वो हर स्कूल में हर बच्चे पे इंप्लीमेंट हो जाए और उसमें हम डेटा साइंस इंप्लीमेंट कर दें और बच्चे को ट्रैक कर सकें. But the human factor is something that nobody is talking about. And the problem is we need to teach. And what we need in the society is, at the end of the day, humans. और उसमें आपने एक बड़ा अच्छा टर्न दिया पूरे डिस्कशन को when you talked about that history will come back much, much stronger. आपने वापस कम्युनिकेशन पे ही जाना है, एक्सेप्टेंस पे ही जाना है, because information तो बहुत सारी है इंटरनेट पे. बस उस information का evaluation, usage, और the actual word meaning of the word knowledge, knowing your ledge, or simply wisdom, वो इंसान ही दे सकते हैं, मशीन लर्निंग तो नहीं दे पाएगी. So that's a surety. So thank you so much, Joyce, for sharing those amazing thoughts. Let me now invite the next speaker for today, Mr. Sunny Philip, Principal, Delhi World Public School from Amravati, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Sunny sir, over to you for the next 3 minutes. Please unmute your audio and a very warm welcome.
Thank you very much. I would like to begin with the topic right away. I came across in the WhatsApp a saying called, once a person went and asked a wise man, what career should I take up in my life? And the wise man very clearly said, be a good human being. There is a huge opportunity in this area and very little competition. So the first point that I would like to highlight, that is the skills for the future, is to be a good human being. Rita Madam had spoken about teachers coming into the area of teaching without being trained. That is very much true. I have had cases of people who come to teach from BTech and MTech background who never ever thought of becoming a teacher. Now, what is the quality, or what humanness are they going to teach? We are living in this, let's say, very we can say serious times now, if you call it, maybe from the point of view of education, we find that we are going through a lot of difficulties now, both for the teachers as well as the students, if you look into them. So what we need is basically be a human being. We are not human. I'm telling you frankly, from my experience itself, we can say that we are not becoming human beings. The real skill is being humanity. So when we talk about humanity, this patience, empathy, sympathy, kindness, pity, respect, and Joy sir talked about the listening qualities, all this is coming to practice. Do we practice this in our classroom? Then only real education has to take place, or real education takes place. Otherwise, no education takes place. In this way, in this regard, I would like to tell that each teacher, the skill that we require is that we need to have a plan for our own personal growth. Do we have a plan for our personal growth? Unless and until I have the knowledge, how can I impart? If I impart a knowledge which is only little bit or half, I am able to impart that only. I don't have any passion, won't be involved inside. That curiosity I won't be put inside. The eagerness I won't be put inside. So when a teacher puts inside, the quality he or she is able to impart to the students is only through once that person has got this ability to grow himself or herself. As my previous speakers have spoken, we are living in a trying time, and I'm very happy. Congratulations to all the teachers. They have grown, they have reached. Of course, the chaos was there at the beginning. The technology problem was there. We have all overcome that particular problem. There it is. But I think the area which we are lacking is that human touch is missing in our teachings, in our dealings with the students. Unless.
Thank you, Sunny sir. The first set was over. The time set is small so that people get to speak and we don't waste a lot of time. But yes, we'll come back to you with some amazing thoughts again to summarize what you said and where you started from, the WhatsApp story, which puts out a very nice moral. कि आने वाले समय में the biggest opportunity is being a good human being and without absolute any competition. क्योंकि वो होना किसी के लिए aspiration नहीं. हमने being good की aspiration को खत्म कर दिया है. हमने being smart की aspiration को बहुत बड़ा कर दिया है. Being smart is now much more critical than being good. And we are right now seeing that being embodied in our leadership, in our neighborhood, in our society, in our visionaries, and all the people who currently dominate society. So we must understand that we finally need to let history come back and let being good be more aspirational, rebrand it, reprogram it, and tell people that this is much more important than just being smart. Teachers without being trained, humanity majorly missing. Classroom and reality का gap बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया था, जिसको बहुत जल्दी पैच करने की ज़रूरत हो गई है, क्योंकि बच्चा केवल थ्योरी पढ़ के आपसे जा रहा था, उसे उसकी एप्लीकेशन का कोई अंदाजा नहीं था. And his real learning started when he started to do some work. और कॉलेज में ही डिसीजन मेकिंग तब पता पड़ती थी जब 2 जॉब ऑफर्स एक साथ आ जाएं और हमें पता नहीं था कौन सी को सेलेक्ट करें. So this is where the decision making comes in. और इतनी क्रिटिकल स्किल्स वो अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत लेट सीखता है, जो उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा ड्रास्टिक और ड्रामेटिक दोनों हो जाती हैं at the same point of time. And yes, जिस पॉइंट पे आपकी टॉक कंक्लूड हुई, a teacher resonates his own personality or his own knowledge, तो उसका पर्सनल ग्रोथ प्लान होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. एंड आई थिंक यहाँ पे मेडिकल प्रोफेशन की एक प्रैक्टिस है जो शायद अब एजुकेशन में भी लेके आ जानी चाहिए, विच इज CMT, कंटिन्यूअस मेडिकल ट्रेनिंग. वो टीचर्स में भी होना चाहिए कि आप कंटिन्यूअसली लोगों को ट्रेन करते रहें, सर्टिफाई करते रहें, ताकि हर व्यक्ति जो पढ़ा रहा है या पढ़ाने के प्रोफेशन में है gets upgraded or upskilled in regular intervals of time, because the way knowledge set is changing or technology is changing or the society is changing, uska pace bahut zyada hai. So we need to pace up to actually get along with it. And yes, even while doing all this, we should not let the oil spill and let humanity be there as your foundation. So thank you so much, Sunny sir, for those amazing thoughts and giving the whole discussion a very nice human flavor to it. Thank you so much. Let me now invite the next speaker, Miss Jessie Roy, Principal, Sri Chaitanya Techno School from Pune, Maharashtra. Jessie ma'am, over to you for the next 3 minutes. Please unmute your audio and a very warm welcome.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. I quickly get into the topic of today. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. See, I have listened to all my the speakers who are sharing this platform. All the three speakers are specially mentioned about the communication and the human values and all. So I don't want to touch that aspect. And of course, that is very much necessary. Speedily getting into the points, what I would like to tell you, change is a part of life, and we are very fortunate enough that we became a part of this global change. Though it was very, very difficult for some people, most of us, but then it has taught us many, many things that we were supposed to be skilled for the future generation. Now, let me talk about the educational aspects that where the major change are going to happen and is happening. We have actually a tri-party system in the education, that is parents, teachers and the students. Though this remained earlier in the ancient past and the middle and even now and in future also, it's a matter between this tri-party organization. So let's focus on that. So what I mean to say that if you talk, let's start with the teachers, because teachers, they play a vital role in educating the kids. So they have to be prepared with proper skills that, which now they understand what challenges they are facing these days. And that is, they understand. Some of the teachers, they find themselves a little bit, I'm sorry to say that, lower than the smartness of the students these days. So understanding these aspects, teachers need to brush up their skills, and of course they are doing, and I'm very proud about my teachers and all the teachers of the world that they are struggling to cope up with the situation, and still they need to brush up their skills. More virtual communication. When we talk about communication, there are various ways of communicating. The major communication, we talk that personally we are talking, that only we understand as communication. But here a teacher has to understand virtual communication, how to communicate in case if this situation continues. They have to on and on, they need to be virtually communicating to the people, to the students and to anybody. So that communication has to be very strong. Now brushing up the skills of the students, what basic, other all challenges everybody, knows about it. But what major thing which I would like to quote is their, writing skills, because the children they are very smart enough to communicate there, because most of the students, their parents, they communicate very well. The teachers, they communicate very well, and they live in good society. That's what we see. But then other than that, written communication, where especially all these days they were doing with paper pen, but now they need to have typing skills. We need to brush up the.
Thank you so much, Jessie ma'am. The three minutes were over. To summarize, from a tri-party ecosystem and being very fortunate to witness this global shift, इसको हम change के साथ में shift भी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि अब mentality में बहुत major changes आ गए. शायद हम पहले कभी किसी virtual platform पे कभी नहीं होते, जहां आज normally दिन के 2 से 4 घंटे बिता ही रहे होते हैं. और rather when we talk of a school, तो हर स्कूल लीडर करीबन दिन के 7-8 घंटे बिता रहा होता है एक वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे. सो ये ग्लोबल शिफ्ट है कि जहां थे वहां से पूरी तरीके से नई सिचुएशन में आके खड़े हो गए. टीचर्स फाइंड देमसेल्व्स एट द रिसीविंग एंड. टीचर को अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट अपना जो एक पेडेस्टल है उसे छोड़ना पड़ेगा. टीचर नाउ हैज टू बिकम अ पीयर टू अ स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि अगर आप अपने ज्ञान के बेसिस पे ईगो को बूस्ट करेंगे या पर्सनैलिटी को स्टेचर देंगे तो बच्चा आपसे पढ़ नहीं पाएगा. सो यू नीड टू लीव that pedestal and build a relationship where you can have at least 30 friends in a class जिसमें से आप एक facilitator हो, and that is what would work, because the fear circuit of teaching or discipline won't work. अब आपने reward circuit पे ही shift करना पड़ेगा पूरी teaching को. Just some days back we had a behavioral scientist on this very platform, Colonel Sudeep Mukherjee. He shared a recent research outcome that a kid who's typically trying to look at a screen like this and trying to learn has an attention span of only 8 seconds. And on every 9th second, he has started daydreaming. तो आप सोच लीजिए कि आपके टीचर को शाहरुख खान ही बनना पड़ेगा या एक सेलिब्रिटी ही होना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो इतने से स्क्रीन पे वो उस बच्चे को एंगेज तो नहीं रख पाएगा. And when you cannot engage, then learning becomes a big challenge. Teaching तो हो जाएगी क्योंकि वो हो रही है, लेकिन learning की कोई गारंटी नहीं है, because हमें नहीं पता कौन सी क्लास में, किस वर्चुअल क्लासरूम में कौन सा बच्चा बैक बेंचर है. जब यही आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते तो हाउ वुड वी टेक थिंग्स टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड फाइनली वर्चुअल कम्युनिकेशंस एंड राइटिंग स्किल्स पे आपने बात करी. राइटिंग स्किल्स नाउ विल बिकम इवन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इस राइटिंग स्किल्स को इफ वी कोरिलेट टू क्रिएशन स्किल्स या क्रिएटिविटी, कुछ नया बना पाने की क्षमता होना बहुत जरूरी है दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज बाकी सब मशीन्स कर लेंगी, एंड क्रिएशन इज समथिंग दैट स्टिल रिमेन्स एट द हैंड ऑफ ह्यूमंस. तो उस पे हमें स्पेशलाइज बहुत ज्यादा करना होगा to stay relevant in the coming times. So thank you so much, ma'am. Let me now invite the next speaker, Dr. Shubhra Thakur, Principal, Delhi Public School, Hazaribagh, from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Shubhra, ma'am, over to you for the next 3 minutes. A very warm welcome.
Yes, a very warm welcome and good evening to everyone. I was listening to everyone, and because I won't waste much of time, I have seen that you are muting everyone. So therefore, starting with the new education policy, which aims to drastically strengthen the education system to prepare the future generation to drive unique innovations. So, we know that now it is focusing on the experiential learning. So we have to switch to this experiential kind of things. Right now, we have done some courses on CBSE platform in the Diksha platform on experiential learning, and I have seen that really it's very beautiful. It has started involving the students. The students are the decision making, students are doing everything. So first of all, we have to prepare the students for the judgment, for the decision making, for their mental fitness, for keeping their mental calm and peace. So, but then apart from that, as my earlier speakers have spoken, that the teachers have adopted this change of digital teaching and online teaching. It's why? Because we were not prepared for that, but yes, we were prepared about some basic computer knowledge. We had this knowledge of internet uses. We were aware of the digital platforms, and that is why the teachers have adopted the change. Though we are going through very fatal situation these days, but then again, I must say that we should have the ability to accept the changes in a positive way. And once we have started seeing them in a positive way, we will find that yes, the opportunities, the plethora of opportunity, the doors will open. And we must know how to handle the situation. Another part is that is the emotional intelligence. As earlier speaker have spoken, not only the empathy and integrity the students must learn, the children must learn. It is about the self-management, self-control, self-reliance, the confidence. That is also very much essential. Then only students will learn to make themselves globally fit. Otherwise, we have seen that many failures have made them depressed. Too many recently we have read the news of the suicides and all. So why is it so? Because they were not able to convert every kind of failure into the opportunity. They were not ready to learn from their failure. So these are the skills which are very important to make them globally fit, because this is not the era of rather we are at the gateway of artificial intelligence and robotics. So we must be very much aware of the tools and techniques. We must be very much aware of all kinds of the digital technologies, so to make us very much competent and globally fit. So this is the time to not only make us fit in terms of our body, developing the immunity
Thank you so much, ma'am. मेंटल और फिजिकल दोनों तरीके की इम्यूनिटी डेवलप करने का ये परफेक्ट टाइम है, और शायद अब इसकी नीड बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है. ये सुपर क्रिटिकल स्किल हो गई है हमारे टाइम्स में अभी. एंड टू समराइज व्हाट ऑल यू सेड, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, स्टूडेंट्स की डिसीजन मेकिंग, स्टूडेंट का इन्वॉल्वमेंट, बेसिक प्रिपेयर्डनेस ऑफ टीचर्स ने बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प किया टू कंटिन्यू लर्निंग. एंड इस पॉइंट पे एक चीज जिसके लिए आई थिंक द होल सोसाइटी शुड थैंक ऑल द टीचर्स एंड स्कूल्स इसकी आप ही ने पूरे देश भर की, और देश भर की नहीं पूरे दुनिया भर के घरों का एंजाइटी लेवल कंट्रोल में रखा, क्योंकि आपने बच्चों को एंगेज रखा। नहीं तो ये लॉकडाउन लोगों के लिए एक हॉरर मूवी हो जाता, जो कि अभी शायद एक अच्छी फीचर फिल्म था। सो थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल द टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स कि भले ही कैसे भी, बट आप सब ने इतने सारे बच्चों और इतनी सारी फैमिलीज को एंगेज्ड, कंफर्टेबल और एंग्शियस नहीं होने दिया। कंफर्टेबल तो किया, लेकिन एंग्शियस नहीं होने दिया। सो बिग थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि जहां हमें नहीं भी आता था, हम काफी जल्दी सीख गए और लर्निंग कंटिन्यू हो पाई। हैंडलिंग क्राइसिस एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, जिस पे आपने बात करी, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग जो कि अब एज अ ह्यूमन रेस हम सब रियलाइज कर पा रहे हैं कि हमने हमारे आसपास या हमारा जो आसपास है उसको इतना खराब कर दिया है कि शायद हमें ऐसी और क्राइसिस जिंदगी में और हैंडल करनी पड़े। तो क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट एक स्टेपल सब्जेक्ट हो जाना चाहिए हर किसी के पढ़ने के लिए, ताकि कुछ भी हो हम कोप अप कर पाए। Thank you so much, Shubhra ma'am. Let me now invite the next speaker for today, Mrs. Ruchika Sukhija, who's the principal, Mahavir Senior Model School from New Delhi, Delhi. Ruchika ma'am, over to you for the next 3 minutes. Please unmute your audio and a very warm welcome.
Thank you so much. Good evening to everyone. It has really been an enriching talk today. Listening to all of you eminent educationists has actually been a delight today. Yes, we do understand that we need to give our learners the skills for future and make them future ready. As a teacher with the experience of over 2 decades and someone who has closely witnessed the changes in society and educational scenario, I feel, as Dr. Shubhra also said, I feel that the most important is emotional intelligence. Society fabric now has become actually very weak. So on one hand, we have episodes like Nirbhaya and Hathras. On the other hand, we have episodes like Sushant Singh Rajput, who in spite of being so successful, perhaps, was not very secure mentally. So I think we need to teach children how to accept themselves, how to accept their emotions, how to deal with their emotions, how to deal with changes, how to deal with successes also, and how to accept the failures. So I think the need of the hour is to teach resilience, to make them understand that the success and failures are mere part of life. So yes, perseverance, hard work, being able to face yourself and take the onus, something that is actually lacking from today's generation, is very much needed. Secondly, I feel yes, right now we require creativity and innovation. As all of you said, modern dynamic world is full of challenges. Situations will definitely change. We cannot predict what future holds for us. New problems, as Sir said, would definitely arise. But if we can think independently, if people can think out of box, I think they have the key to survival. Some people do equate it with problem solving, but I say that having a fresh, different, and holistic perspective is the need for every situation. And as somebody already highlighted, I think we also need to teach children flexibility and adaptability. It is a skill which teachers as well as students both require. We need to adapt to new situations. We all have a new normal now. Lot many people have vanished, lot many companies have vanished, and so many people, so many companies have now emerged with unparalleled strength. So these new situations will keep on arising. And as Mr. Joy said earlier, I think communication is very, very important. I would place it a little higher on the ladder. As a language teacher myself, I do understand the significance of good and clear communication, something which is again lacking from our present generation, and therefore they are not future ready. So the present world, of course, is a global village. Today, it is possible for me that I am sitting here in Delhi in the comforts of my home, and yet I am interacting with all of you illustrious educationists from all over India. And of course, if I have this clear communication, the ability, as all of you said, the ability to listen, the ability to grasp, and the ability to understand, I think I hold the key to future.
Thank you so much, Ruchika ma'am. To summarize what you said, the societal fabric has become very weak. And to simply, we should be thanking our education system only for that, because और कोई तरीका था नहीं society बनाने का. Just some days back, we had the school leader or the principal of Kalinga Institute, which teaches nearly 50,000 students on one single campus without charging them any fees, and he shared a nice statement जो मैं बहुत बार बहुत तरीकों से उसको मैं repeat कर चुका हूँ. And he said that a school is a place where the society finds its definition, where we are supposed to get them all together. और अब हमें एक ऐसा फंडा उन्हें सिखाना है which is in itself a big paradox. We need to teach them एक्टिविटी का एक बहुत बड़ा इमोशनल या मेंटल इम्पैक्ट साथ के साथ में होता है. एंड व्हाट डू वी थिंक दैट काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटी दैट वील डिफाइन ड्यूरिंग दीज टाइम्स एंड व्हाट डज द फ्यूचर होल्ड फॉर अस, उसका प्रेडिक्शन और मुश्किल हो गया है. रेजिलियंस सिखानी पड़ेगी, क्रिएटिविटी होगी, इनोवेशन होगी. इन सब के पीछे आप एक चीज देखें, एक बहुत मेजर चीज होगी कि चेंजेस बहुत जल्दी जल्दी होंगे. तो आप सिंगल करियर लाइफ शायद नहीं होगी, अब मल्टी करियर लाइफ ही होगी. और जिंदगी में पता नहीं कितनी बार लोग मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस झेलेंगे. अब वो मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस होगी या रेगुलर लाइफ क्राइसिस होगी ये हमें नहीं पता. डिक्शनरीज भी चेंज हो रही हैं, सिनेरियोज भी चेंज हो रहे हैं. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड अडेप्टेबिलिटी एंड फाइनली कम्युनिकेशन. कम्युनिकेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको हमेशा आई थिंक मशीन से और इवन ह्यूमन से ऊपर रखती है, फॉर अ सिंपल रीजन. दुनिया में कंटेंट, नॉलेज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ये सब इंडिविजुअली आपके पास होना कंपैरेटिवली आसान है, लेकिन वो सबको देना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, और वो केवल कम्युनिकेशन के थ्रू होता है. एंड यस, लैंग्वेज इज वेयर इट बिकम्स सुपर क्रिटिकल. तो हमें अब एटलीस्ट ट्राइलिंगुअल तो होना पड़ेगा जब हमें ग्लोबल सिटीजन बनना है. अब बाइलिंगुअल से काम नहीं चलेगा, दो की जगह तीसरी भाषा भी हमें चाहिएगी फॉर बेटर कम्युनिकेशन. सो थैंक यू सो मच रुचिका मैम. आज के जितने भी स्पीकर्स थे उन सबको हमने एक एक बार सुन लिया और सबको हमने म्यूट भी कर दिया. तो अगर उसमें कोई गलती से भी ऑफेंड हो गया हो तो उससे अगेन आई एम क्षमा प्रार्थी. बट अब फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स इट्स एन ओपन फ्लोर. तो अगर कोई भी ऐसा पॉइंट आपको लगता है कि आप लोग बोलना भूल गए तो आप लोग अपने आप को भी अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं और उसे रख सकते हैं बिफोर वी गो इनटू द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस टॉक. इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू वांट्स टू स्पीक, यू कैन अनम्यूट योर ऑडियो एंड प्लीज गो अहेड.
एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने सब बातें कर ली है, बट वी हैव रियली नॉट टॉक्ड अबाउट फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी. सो दैट इज आल्सो वन अदर एरिया. आई थिंक सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज लॉकडाउन में बहुत लोगों को ये समझ में आया कि उनका इकोनॉमिक और फाइनेंसेस बहुत गड़बड़ा गया है. So if in the school, if you start with the financial literacy program, that will also be helping the teenagers.
Thank you. Financial literacy बहुत important हो गया है अब, क्योंकि जब क्राइसिस बढ़ेगी, करियर्स चेंज होंगे, तो आपको अपनी सिक्योरिटी के लिए बहुत सारी व्यवस्थाएं करनी होंगी. उन व्यवस्थाओं को समझना पहला काम होगा, उसके बाद आप फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी पे जाएंगे. So Jessie ma'am wanted to speak. Ma'am, please.
What ma'am was telling, I just wanted to add to that. That is crisis management. That is very much necessary. That is, that is the gist of everything. Students should be ready to accept everything, whatever comes on their way. So this generation has learned that. Actually, we should be fortunate. I told that this will be written on the pages of history, and we all are part of it, So this we have to tell our children, instead of getting disappointed, they should be, they should be proud that this era will be, on history, on the pages of history. And the teachers, how they have transformed, themselves into a digital way of, teaching representation. So parents, we need to educate the parents also. This is one of the responsibilities of the school, the authorities or the teachers, teaching faculty. That is, we need to educate the parents too, because parents always were ignored. They were only the fee givers. They came, gave the fee, they put their demands, they complained. This was a scenario. Actually, we need to have a shift from there. We should have a proper communication, fill the gap between the teachers and the school, so that we will be able to mold our children to all the qualities what these speakers have spoken about. We need their support also.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Stakeholder engagement अब बहुत important हो गया. स्कूल ट्रांसपेरेंट हो गया, तो एक नए डिपार्टमेंट की जरूरत हो गई है स्कूल्स में, which is the CRM, customer relationship management, या parent relationship management. क्योंकि तभी आप पूरे स्टेक होल्डर्स को या पूरे इकोसिस्टम को शांत रख पाएंगे और कुछ पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ की तरफ बढ़ पाएंगे. सनी सर वांटेड टू से समथिंग, तो सनी सर, ओवर टू यू.
add is this one. One thing, we see negativity all around us. So we need to unknowingly or unknowingly pass on this one to our children also. Teachers, you see, maybe because of private things, private management and all salary, madam talked about the salary issues, financial literacy. So we knowingly or unknowingly, we should not pass this negativity. Of course, there is a lot of negativity, but we somehow should manage to put that in a positive way. Sugar coating way should be given to the children. Otherwise, this society is going to be, the children are going to be negative in their thinking and outlook. They think that everything is dark, everything is bleak. There is nothing good in the world. That we need to try to avoid, please. Thank you.
इसको ये बहुत अच्छा आपने पॉइंट रखा कि हमें नेगेटिविटी को कंटेन करना भी हमारा काम है ताकि एक नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का मेंटालिटी में ब्लंडर नहीं हो जाए, which typically happened in Japan, जहां पे वर्कोहॉलिक्स इसीलिए होते हैं क्योंकि they are risk averse. उस रिस्क एवर्सनेस ने उन्हें दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोड्यूसर बनाया और दुनिया के शायद सबसे अच्छे ऑटोमोबाइल्स वहीं से आते हैं, from the Toyotas of the world. But at the same time, as a society, as far as their emotional wellness is concerned, वो बहुत challenged है और वो इसी वजह से है क्योंकि हिरोशिमा के बाद में वो नेगेटिविटी उनकी एक जनरेशन कंटेन नहीं कर पाई और वो आगे से आगे बढ़ती गई. So as the teachers or the educators or the definers of the society, शायद नेगेटिविटी कंटेन करना भी हमारी ही जिम्मेदारी है. So Shubhra ma'am wanted to say something.
Okay. Yes, one very important thing that we have forgotten, that is about the happiness and contentment. Right now, you were talking about Japan. Japan is now working to make the country happy country. So why should not we start with this? So the students' happiness, that matters, and we have to create the stress-free environment. And for that, I really need that the good parenting is again the need of the hour. Parenting is also very essential because right now only we were coming across one, this cartoon was there, the boy with the wings, and the parents were just behind the boy cutting the wings with the scissors. So, and this is the reality of the situation, that the good parenting is also very essential. Everyone wants that their children should become doctor, engineer, IS officer, the big bureaucrats and all. But they forget about their own happiness, that the family happiness, the happiness of the children, happiness of the parents, everything is at the stake to make the children somewhere very much successful. What do they call? But actually they are not successful because whatever they have achieved, you know that the APJ Abdul Kalam always speaking that whatever you have achieved, you should know how to keep yourself happy with that. It's not that we have to work hard, or only we have to work hard. We have to perspire, but in the stress-free environment. So we have forgotten about happiness, and this is the most important part of this real situation.
Absolutely. Happiness एक बहुत important perspective है. Parents cutting the wings ये इसलिए हो गया कि parent अपनी insecurity बच्चे पे थोप देता है. तो पेरेंट को वापस आई थिंक विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के उस स्टेटमेंट को याद रखना चाहिए दैट द चाइल्ड इज द फादर ऑफ द मैन, कि भाई उसे जो करना है वो करने दीजिए, शायद आप कुछ नया सीख जाएं क्योंकि आप एक जनरेशन पुराने हो गए हैं, वो ऑलरेडी आपसे 2 जनरेशन एडवांस्ड है. रुचिका मैम वांटेड टू से समथिंग प्लीज.
I am absolutely loving the human touch that we are giving to it. But yes, I do understand कि ये सब चीजें मेरे हिसाब से शायद सिखाने से नहीं आती. Perhaps we need to provide children with the opportunities. I would just take 1 minute and share a wonderful endeavor that our students had taken. So one day I was talking to my prefectorial board and I asked them that what about the students who are not able to come to online classes and whom perhaps so many people are not able to reach in spite of so many endeavors. And they came up with this brilliant idea of our old bus being turned into a library. And we have just recently done that. So the students only donated the books and we converted that with the help of the school resources. We converted that into we converted the old bus into a library. So I think वो जो contentment, satisfaction, happiness, crisis से लड़ना, उसको एक opportunity बनाना, वहां से आया. So I think we need to provide children with these kind of opportunities, and that will come only through communication. Open communication is the need of the hour. That is very much required. Thank you.
Absolutely. आपने जो एक बहुत अच्छी बात बताई अपने बच्चों का एक इनिशिएटिव वेयर यू क्रिएटेड एन ओल्ड बस इनटू अ लाइब्रेरी, और वो इतने लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है, व्हिच इज अमेजिंग. एंड हमें अब नए तरीके ढूंढने होंगे नॉलेज शेयरिंग के. एंड आई थिंक यूनाइटेड नेशंस के सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स हैं, उसमें फोर्थ गोल का फोर्थ सब पॉइंट जो है वो बहुत क्रिटिकल होने वाला है, व्हिच इज बिल्डिंग कम्युनिटी मीडिया. क्योंकि अब पढ़ाना और डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है, बिकॉज अभी तक हम केवल एक इकोनॉमिक डिवाइड देखते थे देश में, अब एक डिजिटल डिवाइड भी देखेंगे. जहां डिवाइसेस नहीं होंगी तो वहां अपनी क्लासेस में शायद दूसरे बच्चों को अलाउ करना या अपने कंटेंट को किसी ना किसी तरीके से हर किसी तक पहुंचाना अब एक नई जिम्मेदारी है, और एक नया आप कह सकते हैं सोशल वर्क है या नया CSR है किसी के लिए भी. So Joy sir wanted to say something, sir, over to you.
This is all connected with where we are presently. You know, there's a lot of over dependency on the internet and the data that is available. So that may lead to a lot of chaos in the future. Now, with that, I think the present young generation must be led to be a responsible digital, citizen. So this is one area which I have been reading about quite a lot. So they do not know how to handle the media as such. They do not know how to handle the data that is, in abundance available everywhere. So this may be one element. I do not know. I'm facing a lot of troubles. I'm facing a lot of challenges with regard to when the parents come to me and tell me also this one, and when we deal with the children also, we face such a lot. So I do not know how to come up with this one, a solution to make children responsible digitally. So I'm not I'm facing a challenge. So this is, my hands are all open like that. Yeah.
Very right, Joy sir. और ये जो सीरीज जिसको हम अभी कर रहे हैं आप सबके साथ में, this started during the lockdown, and I think उसके शुरुआत के किसी एक एपिसोड में इंडिया के एक लीडिंग स्कूल के मतलब व्हाट यू कैन से डायरेक्टर कम प्रिंसिपल यहाँ थे. दैट स्कूल इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे. मैं उनका नाम नहीं ले सकता क्योंकि वो उनके लिए खराब हो जाएगा, बट दे क्लियरली स्टेटेड ऑन वीडियो ऑन रिकॉर्ड कि हमें हमारी वर्चुअल क्लासेस 4 दिन चलाने के बाद बंद करनी पड़ी फॉर अ सिंपल रीजन. हमारे बच्चे बहुत एडवांस्ड हैं और उनके डिजिटल प्रैंक्स ऐसे हैं कि हम हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे. एंड दैट्स अ लीडिंग स्कूल इन इंडिया, और अगर मैं सच में लिस्ट करूं तो शायद देश के टॉप 5 में से एक है. सो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली देयर, जिसको डील करने के लिए शायद हमारे पास ना कंटेंट है ना फैसिलिटेटर है. ये दोनों चीजों का मेजर गैप है, और ये गैप ओवर अ कोर्स ऑफ टाइम नहीं, बहुत जल्दी फिल करना होगा, क्योंकि हम बहुत जल्दी में स्कूल को तो स्क्रीन में ले गए, लेकिन स्क्रीन मैनेज करना बच्चे को हमने सिखाया नहीं है अभी. सो आई थिंक वी हैव हर्ड ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर थॉट्स. अगर कुछ रह गया हो, कुछ बोलना भूल गए हो, डोंट वरी, आवर टीम्स विल स्टे कनेक्टेड. प्लीज शेयर योर आइडियाज, बिकॉज दिस is a platform where we want these ideas to reach as many people as possible, क्योंकि this is the time when we should innovate for a simple reason. अगर आप ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री को देखेंगे या समझने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ऐसा बहुत कम बार हुआ है when the society around you is ready to listen. ऐसा केवल तब होता है जब हम as a community एक existential crisis face करते हैं. And if you ever wanted to do any innovation, any experiment in the field of education, this is the perfect time to do it, क्योंकि आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके स्टेक होल्डर्स आपकी सुनेंगे. So don't let this time go off. एक छोटी सी आदत बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए कि रोजाना एक ऑब्जर्वेशन पेपर लिखिए, भले ही 200-250 वर्ड्स लिखिए, but this content is the knowledge set that the world would need from you in the coming times. Once again, thank you so much. Before this talk comes to an end, a very small story of 2 teenagers, जो ब्लब का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, where ब्लब typically comes from. These 2 teenagers, one hails from Delhi and one from Siliguri. They wanted to learn a dance form which was very feminine. पर बचपन से बहुत टॉन्ट किए गए, बहुत परेशान किए गए, सीख नहीं पाए. तो एक ने अपना दिल्ली शहर छोड़ दिया एक स्कॉलरशिप लेके, एक ने सिलीगुड़ी छोड़ दिया बिना पैसे लिए and came to live on the platforms in Bombay. काफी समय रहा, एग्जामिनेशंस दिए, एक इंस्टीट्यूट ढूंढा, फाइनली एक ट्रेनर से ट्रेन होके स्कॉलरशिप लेके ये दोनों बच्चे उस डांस फॉर्म के ग्लोबल एपिसेंटर में अब रहते हैं. दोनों 18 साल के हैं. पहले का नाम है दिपेश वर्मा, दूसरे का नाम है बॉबी रॉय. एंड दीज 2 are awarded and recognized as India's first danseurs or ballet dancers. This was the cover page of Club World some months back. For a simple reason we do this, कि शायद अब केवल didactic होना या teaching बच्चों को ना पढ़ा पाए. अब आपने teaching से inspiring पे जाना पड़ेगा. So think of more ways of inspiring more and more teens. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of the Club World Web Talks 97th edition. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, and if you want to attend the future sessions, open your audio, say a big yes, and thank you so much, people.
Yes,
I was thoroughly very much enjoying, very informative, Mr. Daksh, and I actually was invited out of the blue that I have to be a part of it. So, Mr. Yuri, I said, at least I'd like to be a part of this session. Let me see what is the format. And I must say you are a wonderful host. And I mean, it was very easy. So yes, I will be a part next time for sure. Do invite me.
Thank you, people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody, for sharing your thoughts. It was an amazing hour with you.
A wonderful session. All the speakers were wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.